And everybody having a ball. Until the fellas start the name calling. And the girls respond to the call. I hear a poor one shout out, who let the dogs out? 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 I see the young people at the Falcons. Billy
he's fighting my finger.
That's Scruffy. Get back, you flea infested mongrel. Gonna tell myself I man no get angry. Two Eddie cows calling them canine. Hey, but they tell me, hey man, start up the party.